Hi guys, my name is Yogesh Pandya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Bytes. Thank you for the amazing response on my previous videos on cement, types of cement, OPC versus PPC. Today I will take you through the important topics storage of cement. Why storage of cement is important? Storage of cement plays a vital role in getting its desired strength. It gives us the percentage reduction in strength of cement depending upon the duration of cement storage. When cement is fresh, there is a 0% reduction in the strength. When it is stored for 3 months, then about 20% of the reduction in the strength. When it's stored for 6 months, about 30% of the reduction in the strength. When it's stored for 1 year, about 40% of the reduction in the strength, and when it is stored for more than 1.5 years, about 40 to 50% reduction in the strength. If cement is stored for a longer period, then its strength gets substantially reduced. Then it's not good for construction. Cement is hygroscopic in nature. Cement absorbs moisture from the atmosphere very fast and hardens like lumps or stones which cannot be used for construction purpose. Hence, it is necessary to take appropriate precaution in storage of cement. We have to keep key points in mind while we are thinking for storage of cement. Atmospheric moisture content, duration of cement storage, place of storage, stacking of cement bags, FIFO, first in, first out withdrawal of cement bags. We have to keep key points to be considered for storage of cement. Cement should be stored in dry, moisture-free and leak-proof storage shed with minimum number of openings. Storage shed flooring should be of minimum 150 to 200 mm thick M15 grade concrete. The plinth level of storage shed should be maintained in such a way that the bottom level of truck match with that, so during loading and unloading of cement it is done very easily and safely. Cement bags should be stacked on wooden or plastic pallet, sleepers or wooden planks about 150 to 200 mm above the floor level. Maintain a space 600 mm all around between the stacks and the exterior wall. Stack the cement bags close to each other to reduce air circulation. The stacking height should not be more than 10 bags to prevent easy handling as well to prevent the possibility of lump formation under pressure. Also ensure stacking of cement bags with a header and stretcher arrangements so as it will not topple during stacking and handling. Passage width of 900 mm to 1 meter should be provided between the stacks. Do not store cement bags near door, window which are not fitted properly for avoiding moisture impact and keep in closed shed. Ensure proper drainage system in and out of storage shed for avoiding any damage due to water. Do not store cement bags in shed where any fresh painting or civil work is done and give sufficient time to dry out the same. Keep stored cement bags covered with good quality waterproof tarpaulin. If possible, kindly avoid storage of cement in rainy season. Put label showing the date of receipt of cement bag on each stack of cement bags. Extract the cement bag for use in FIFO, first in, first out principle. During handling of cement bags, do not allow hooks and provide proper cement bag handling tool. This will facilitate avoiding wastage of cement as well negative impact on quality of cement. For calculating storage shed size, the dimension to be considered for one cement bag is 0.035 cubic meter. Length of cement bags average 700 mm, width of cement bag average 350 mm and thickness of cement bags average 140 mm. on testing of moisture content in cement. If the moisture content is more than 5%, then it is not useful for the construction. Hope you all have understood the importance of storage of cement for achieving quality in construction. That's all for today's video. Hope you have enjoyed. I have made my PowerPoint presentation for easy understanding of this topic. You may access and download the presentation via the link shared in the description box below. If you like this video, hit the like button, comment your views, share the video with friends and family and colleagues, and please subscribe to my channel. Watch out for my next video. Till then, it's me, Yogesh Pandya, signing out. Stay safe, work safe, and stay healthy. Bye bye.